Hey guys, this is TechHub and today I'm going to be teaching you how you can turn your WhatsApp black. So let's get cracking. First of all, you need to go to Play Store and update your WhatsApp. Either it's business WhatsApp or it's normal WhatsApp. Once you've done that, you're gonna go to your WhatsApp. I'm using WhatsApp Business for this example. You need to go to Settings and then click on Chats. Once you click on Chats, you will see Theme on top of it. Once you click on Theme, you can choose light or dark mode from there. You click on dark, you click on OK, and that's it. You get dark mode on your WhatsApp. So this was TechHub guys, so peace.